I'll never forget what it was like when I woke up in the middle of the night, hearing one of those 20-minute downpours that we're used to here in the Midwest, and then hearing it go on for an hour, and a second hour, and a third hour, and by 3 a.m., we were activating the Emergency Operations Center of our city for the first time in a while, confronting what would come to be called a 1,000-year flood. And then 18 months later, we had another one. And I know that this community went through something similar. A year since the St. Louis region was hit by flooding that claimed 2 lives, left thousands of homes damaged or destroyed. And I know that this community even now is recovering and rebuilding from that. And when disasters like that hit, they don't just damage homes or affect lives and livelihoods, but also infrastructure that we all count on. They wash away roads or bridges or impact transit systems that we count on every day. And it's in that immediate aftermath of a disaster that first responders are relying on that very infrastructure to reach people in need. And then in the months and the years that follow, communities rely on that infrastructure to get back to work and begin recovering and getting back to normal life. So I want you to know that the entire Biden-Harris administration, the Department of Transportation, and, as you have seen, our partners in Congress are here to support that every step of the way.